Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm taking your monthly reading for the month of Leo, for the month of June 2021, and this is going to be for the sign of Leo. So yeah, let's see how the month of June is going to be for the sign of Leo. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but I don't remember if we added charms or not in the read. I think we did not. So yeah, we will just stick to the oracle cards, but no charms will be added. So stay tuned. And now, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Leo, let's get started and let's find out how the month of June gonna be for you guys. What can you expect coming up for you for the month of June? Let's begin. Three of Pentacles, the Moon, Five of Swords. Wow. Seems like a lot of work, a lot of people will be influencing your life in the month of June. I feel like there will be so many things that you would want to do, but it will be hard for you to take actions towards that. You will be busy, you will be occupied with so many things going on in your life that you would not be able to get enough time to materialize your plans, be that in love, work, or home life situation. You will have a lot of things to get done with. I feel like it's not going to be a positive month in a way, because I feel like things will be getting toxic in your life because of lack of availability, especially when it comes to your love life situation. I feel like lack of communication, lack of availability is gonna spoil the connection. It's just gonna ruin the connection between you and your specific someone. There will be so much going on in the connection. You would not get to know. It's spoiling the connection. It's just ruining the connection, and you would not get to know. What is it? Lack of clarity, lack of clear communication, lack of understanding, lack of communication maybe as well. Yes, because there is lack of communication, lack of clarity in the situation. Seems like things will go out of control. Somebody is not going to be happy with it. Somebody is going to feel like this connection is not heading the right way forward, and it's all stemming out of lack of clarity, lack of understanding, lack of communication, lack of trust as well. Now, how can you trust a person if the person is not talking to you? What you don't have any idea what's going on in their life. It can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you're dealing with as well. There will be somebody will have no time for love, and the other person will definitely doubt the intention of the person. It's going to be very hard for it seems like somebody has no time for love, and the other person doesn't get the idea of why is that so. So seems like situation between you and your specific someone is definitely going to get out of control, toxic. So your connection definitely has a strong potential of becoming toxic in the month of June. Now, let's see how is or what is the energy of the connection that you have. What is the energy of the connection that you have with your specific someone? What is the connection's energy? Somebody's so disappointed. Somebody's so trying to know the answer. Somebody's trying to seek justice in this situation. It can be you, it can be them. Somebody is really depending heavily on the divine, surrendering it to the divine that something good will happen if they believe so. It seems like the connection seems to be going not in the right direction for now. Even though there's a lot of love, but somebody is finding it really hard to stay positive in this situation. It can be again you, it can be the energy of the person that you're dealing with as well. But seems like this connection is definitely heading some road bumps. um, let's see, what else do we have? Your hard work is paying off. If you stick to this connection, if you stick to the belief that you have in this connection, you will get your work rewarded in this connection. The energy is gaining momentum. A time for healing. I feel like, this negative energy is intensifying with every passing day. You can switch it to something positive, and with the passage of time, that too will gain momentum. Now maybe you need to heal, you need to stay positive, you need to work on staying positive around this connection, because it seems like situation is not favorable. Somebody is not giving the time, neither the clarity in this situation, in this connection. Enjoy success and happiness. Somebody is maybe busy with their success or working towards their career goals. See beyond the current situation. Somebody is unable to do so. Maybe you need to see beyond the current situation. Try to manifest what you want to manifest, instead of getting so caught up in the idea of the current circumstances. Try to manifest what you want to see for yourself. Try to keep yourself busy doing that, especially if it's your person's energy who is not giving into the connection. It's very important for you to keep your eyes off to this current circumstances and focus on what you want to manifest in your life. Intend and create. You will create what you intend. Make sure you intend something beautiful, something positive for the connection. Seems like right now the situation is completely out of balance between the two of you. The connection seems to be suffering right now. So we do have attitude is everything. Keep yourself positive. Your life partner is yet to enter in your life. You would feel like that. Maybe you might choose to end this connection, and for some of you, you might feel like it's time to move on. Believe in the miracles, and for others of you, you might miraculously get things worked out in this connection with your specific someone as well. But seems like there is a lot going on in this connection between the two of you, which is not so healthy and positive. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. This person that you're dealing with is your soulmate. For majority of you, I feel like this person is a soulmate, and there is this past life connection that you feel for each other. There's a strong connection that you have with your person, but at the same time, situation seems to be going out of control for either one of you. Now why is that? So we will take some cards for that. I feel like for some of you, it could be because of the success stuff going on. Back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. For some of you, might be busy chasing your work and career goals. Again, it can be you, it can be the energy of the person that you're dealing with. It's just definitely creating a lot of issues in the connection that you share with your person. Now let's see, what is it that one person is busy with? Why they are not talking, why there is lack of clarity. Let's find out that, because I feel like there is lack of clarity, lack of communication. Why is that so? What is the reason behind? Be that coming from your end or be that coming from the person's end. What is it that is stopping the clear-cut communication? What is it that's stopping the clarity to come in the situation? Somebody is not happy. Now if they are, maybe if they have been somebody who's diligently working towards a goal when it comes to finances, maybe they are having a tough time there. That sadness that they have got themselves into is creating issues for the love life that they have with you as well. Now energies could be reversed for some of you. Let's take more cards. What is it? There is some sort of a tower moment going on in your person's life. Now it can be related to the work situation. It could be related to For some of you, you would start feeling as if the person that you are dealing with, they might have another person in their life as well. But that's not going to be the case. For majority of you, I feel like, maybe for very few of you, that could be the case there. But seems like, for majority of you, it's the unavailability of your person which is going to cause you to think that way. Let's ask that question again using another deck. If your person, whoever it is that is busy here right now in this connection, let's find out if this person has another person in their life. Is your person cheating on you? Is this person, whoever is unavailable in the connection, is that person cheating on you? Their work is their second or the first wife or husband. You're so caught up, consumed by that, it makes you feel otherwise. You feel like, how can one be so busy with it? And you start feeling that, there could be another person. In actuality, there is no other person. For some of you, like for very few of you, maybe there could be another person that they are dealing with as well. It's kind of a mixed thing. For some of you, there could be another person as well in this person's life. Hold on. But for 80 to 90% of you, there is no third person for sure. There is more like, your person is so addicted to their work as if they are married to their work and they ignore you. That's the case for majority of you. I feel like, there is lack of time that your person is giving you right now, which is making you feel so upset with the way things are in the connection. It's definitely bothering you. But yes, I feel like, your person is not giving into the connection with you at all, and you feel tired and you feel like moving on, you feel like giving up, you feel like maybe they have another person in their life. In actuality, it's more of something else that they're dealing with, which is causing them to stay busy with something. They are working towards something and they need their time and space right now. But in actuality, that's something which they could do it a better way, but the way they are choosing it to do it is definitely not healthy, and that's why the issues are there in the connection between you and your specific someone. I do see turbulent relationship in the month of June for you guys. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.